There's a big breaking news due to Cyclone Montha. Indigo and Air India Express have cancelled multiple flights across Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam, and Rajahmundry, while 43 trains has been suspended in Visakhapatnam region. While Odisha and Andhra Pradesh have already declared holidays for schools in vulnerable coastal districts, the Tamil Nadu government has not yet announced the statewide holiday yet, and district administrations are monitoring conditions closely and will decide on any additional closure based on evolving local weather. The banana farm was anxious as the cyclone Montha nears coast. East Godavari District Horticulture Officer S. Mallikarjun Rao appealed to farmers to stay alert to the cyclone warnings and follow departmental advisories to safeguard their crops. He said banana cultivation extends across 1.60 lakh acres in the district and farmers should take preventive measures to minimize damage from the strong winds and rains. Indian Meteorological Department issues yellow alert for 11 districts in Karnataka, which includes Uttara Kannada, Udupi, Dakshina Kannada, Bidar, Kalburgi, Yadgiri, Vijayanapura, Bagalkote, Raichur, Koppal, and Gadag districts are likely to receive heavy rainfall till October 28. And 43 trains cancelled in Visakhapatnam region. The South Central Railways have announced the cancellation of 43 trains passing through Visakhapatnam on October 28 to ensure passenger safety. Here, the Monta is a name, tropical cyclone that formed in the Bay of Bengal. And this language it means fragrant flowers or beautiful flowers. And was names were suggested by Thailand and it's used to help with communication awareness for tracking the storm. So the name contributed to the World Meteorological Organization's list for North Indian Ocean cyclones.